Our planet Earth, a magnificent blue marble floating in the vastness of space. Is it flat like a pancake with edges that drop off into the unknown, or is it round like a basketball, a perfect sphere spinning on its axis? This question might seem silly to many of us, a relic of ancient times, but believe it or not, some people still hold the belief that the Earth is flat, despite overwhelming evidence to the contrary. They have many arguments, ranging from conspiracy theories to misinterpretations of scientific data, and we're going to explore them all in detail. Get ready, because we're diving into the great debate, flat Earth versus round Earth. This is more than just a simple argument, it's a clash of worldviews. This isn't just about being right or wrong, it's about understanding why people believe what they do and how they come to their conclusions. It's about examining the evidence with a scientific eye, questioning our assumptions and seeking the truth. Are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery and learning? Let's go and see where the evidence leads us. Okay, so imagine a giant disk with a dome over it. This is the basic idea that some people have when they talk about the flat Earth theory. That's what some people picture when they think of a flat Earth. They envision a flat plane with the sun and moon moving in circles above it. They believe the sun and moon are like small spotlights circling above us, creating day and night. This movement is what they say causes the cycle of day and night. They say things like, if the Earth is round, why can't we see the curve? They argue that when you look out at the horizon it appears flat. They point to things that look flat, like calm water. They believe that if the Earth were truly round we would see a noticeable curve in large bodies of water, or a long, straight road. They argue that these straight lines wouldn't be possible on a curved surface. They also have their own explanations for gravity and other scientific concepts. For instance, they might say that gravity is not a force but rather an effect of density and buoyancy. Despite overwhelming scientific evidence to the contrary, these individuals stand firm in their beliefs. They gather in communities, attend conferences, and share their ideas online. The flat Earth theory isn't new, it dates back to ancient civilizations. However, it has seen a resurgence in recent years fueled by social media and the internet. Modern scientists continue to conduct experiments and provide evidence that supports the round Earth model. Images from space clearly show a spherical Earth, yet the debate continues. For some, the flat Earth theory is more than just a belief. It's a way of questioning the world and the information we are given. Whether you agree or disagree, it's important to understand why people hold these views and to engage in open, respectful dialogue. Now, let's talk about the round Earth model, the one scientists agree on. This model has been supported by centuries of observations and research. This model says the Earth is a sphere, like a giant ball, spinning in space. The rotation of the Earth on its axis is what gives us day and night. It revolves around the Sun, which is much bigger than Earth. The Earth's orbit around the Sun takes about 365.25 days, which is why we have leap years. This model explains why we have seasons, as the tilt of the Earth's axis causes different parts of the Earth to receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. Why different parts of the world have different times? Because as the Earth rotates, different regions move into and out of sunlight. And why we see ships disappear hull first over the horizon. This phenomenon is due to the curvature of the Earth. It also fits with everything we know about gravity, which is the force that pulls objects towards the Earth. Gravity pulls everything towards the center of the Earth, which is why we stay grounded and why objects fall when dropped. This understanding of gravity is crucial for everything from building structures to launching satellites into space. Section 4. Evidence from the skies and beyond. The evidence for a round Earth is overwhelming. We've sent satellites into space that have taken pictures of our planet, and guess what? They show a beautiful, round Earth. Astronauts have seen the Earth's curvature with their own eyes. We can also see the curved shadow of the Earth on the Moon during a lunar eclipse. Section 5. Debunking the myths. Let's address some of the flat Earth arguments. They say we can't see the curve on Earth, but that's because the Earth is so big. The curve is subtle, but we can see it from airplanes or high mountains. As for gravity, it's a fundamental force that pulls everything towards the center of mass. If the Earth were flat, gravity wouldn't work the way it does. Things would fall sideways near the edges. Section 6. The round truth. So there you have it. The evidence clearly shows that the Earth is round. While it's fun to think about different ideas, it's important to rely on scientific evidence and critical thinking. The next time you look up at the stars, remember you're standing on a giant spinning sphere hurtling through space. It's a pretty amazing thought, isn't it? Science rules,